Hey, you guys. I am back with another video. And I finally got my, well, it didn't take that long. It took me forever to get it. But I am here to try this stuff out. I have a little makeup on, not a lot. So I said, let's try it. Now it's just gonna do just like a, I don't know if this is a product review because I want to check it out for about a month, but we're gonna try it and do a little skin routine real quick. Let's get into it. Look, let me tell you something. I don't have a lot of skincare stuff that I use on a regular basis, but I've been trying to do better. Okay? So with the Fenty skin, I always wanted to try it because I looked at 1,001 videos about it. So I definitely want to not be interrupted. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a voiceover or what. It's my first skin routine. I don't know what I'm doing. What do I do, guys? I guess I'm just gonna talk it through. I'm gonna talk through it. I might do both. How about that? Let's get into it. This is moist, what they say. Moisten your skin. I said okay. I love how this comes out like boom. Come on, consistency. Okay. I don't smell anything, so. Let's go for it. It's supposed to take all the makeup off. We go see. We go see, guys. So anywho's. So as many as videos I've seen about skincare, never did one, so I don't know. And I always have problems with my eyeliner coming off. You know? So we're gonna see if this works. But I don't know. I don't know if a little goes a long way. But we're gonna try it out. And just go through the motions with me, guys. Go through the motions. Have anybody tried it? I'm ashy. Hey, I've been washing my hands and sanitizing, okay? So, have anybody used Fenty Skin? How do you feel about it? How do you like it? Drop in the comments below. While I rinse this stuff off, let's see. I'm still getting off, okay, so excuse me, but look, it came off my towel. But that eyeliner, y'all, I ain't trying to burn my eyes out, y'all, okay? I'm not, but I'm doing the best I can. Oh, something in my eye, y'all. Okay, how does it feel? I'm like D'Angelo, how does it feel? I got that much off. I don't have any wipes. Look, don't be coming for me, you guys, because I am not that type of person. Like, I don't deal with a lot of skin issues, so I don't always I don't have like a routine, you know what I'm saying? And besides just like some regular schmegular stuff, but I do like how it feels. I feel like I got most of my stuff off, like most of my eyeliner off, but now that I think about it, that might have been waterproof kind. So, but it's kind of low-key burning. Low-key. What y'all think? Okay, so let's move on. It took off more than what a lot of stuff take off. I'm trying to keep it real. It took off a lot more than some of the wipes I've used. But I don't feel super dry. But we're gonna use this fat water that everybody be talking about as a toner serum, right? So. little squiz. Sorry for me being ashy, but you know, at least, you know, a girl babe. You know what I'm saying? So, how does this feel? I don't know. Somebody said it had a whole lot of fragrance. I don't smell no fragrance. What's going on with this stuff? I don't smell like a whole lot. I don't really smell that much. I mean, it has a fragrance, but nothing that. I don't think I should put this on your skin because it has fragrance. Like, it's not that deep. It has a little. Sorry, I gotta get my nails done. It has a little smell, but it feels super good on my skin. It feels good. It's a little bit because I miss my neck, but it feels good. They say you can do this day and night, but I think it feels super good. It feels like dewy. I love the dewiness. Now you guys, I'm not gonna do this now because it's about Fenty right now. But I do have these serums that I got. This is just a freebie. I have a few of them actually. So when I wear out, I'm gonna show you. All right, get it together, eyelash. Some of my eye. Okay, so I have the vitamin C serum from Art Naturals. It came in 3, so I got the vitamin C one. Okay. And then we got the hydro. Hold on. What is this? This right here, Serum. I thought it was hydro, but I guess it's like hyaluronic. Enhanced hydration and moisturizer. Look, I put this on, don't put nothing else on. My face be moisturized. You see how much I've used? It's a lot, but it goes a long way, just a little bit. And I use the vitamin C. So I put this on after I do everything, but you know, 5 minutes in between these two so they can soak up the skin. Soak up the skin. Thumbnail. This is for thumbnails. All right, and so the vitamin C and the retinol. I'm gonna do retinol today. This will be my first time doing retinol because I always forget this goes at night, and these two, morning and night. It doesn't matter. But anyway, I'm not gonna do it right now. But these are good. I got this off Amazon, all 3 for like $18. It's really good. I really like the hydro, the hyaluronic. I don't know how to say it. I'll spell it though. I like it. It's very moisturizing. Okay. And you guys can also put this stuff on your face. I'm gonna try that today too. Well, maybe I won't do the other 2 and I'll just do this. Rose oil is so good for your skin and your hair. So, okay, we've done that. So let's move on to the moisturizer. Hydro Visor. Invisible moisturizer. Has SPF 30 sunscreen in it, you know. I always have goods, you know, for us to put that on. Us melanin, because sunscreen is still important to all skin types. Okay, to all skin types. Don't judge me, okay? Do not judge your girl because I don't know what I'm doing. Now this has flavors. I might have put too much on. Oh my god. Oh, it's thick. Oh my god, guys, it's thick. I didn't know it was gonna be that thick. That dang. I think I put too much on. Oh my god. It's super thick. I probably shouldn't put that much on. Well, no sense in me putting all the rest of it on right now. This is, yo. This is very, very thick. God, but it smells amazing. It's a light smell, but it's not like totally crazy. Put some on your lips, girl, because sometimes, you know, them things get dry too. Look, that feels good. I have dry skin. Show how dry skin, so I'm gonna be shiny, but I will go less next time because that was, you see how shiny I am? I don't know, for the oily ones out there, you guys, it might be a little too much for you guys. But like I said, it could also really be that I put too much on. Okay, y'all saw me. But I feel my face feels amazing. I just did a retwist so I can move my hair back and forth. But anyway, I gotta get that out of my eye. But it looks good. I think I put too much on, but at least I feel super hydrated. So I feel like even if I put a little bit on, it would still have a good effect on me. So all in all, so far, I like it. I might come back and I might do like a review on the other oils I just talked about. I'll come back and then maybe like in a month, see how it's doing. See if I need to clean off my dresser. This is ridiculous, okay? Not my dresser, but my bathroom, sink area is ridiculous. So anyway, let's pop my neck. Tell me what you guys think. I probably put too much on, right? But it's soaking into my skin so well, and it feels good, and I like the fragrance. But it's not super overpowering. You know what I'm saying? So right now it feels good. But we'll see how it does in a month. But so far, I like it. Thank y'all for tuning into my skin routine, which, you know, maybe I'll do some more products if y'all want me to. I will. Let me know if you're interested. I'm into it. I'll do it. You know what I'm saying? I have dry skin, so I will be doing dry skin prone stuff. I'm not oily girl, but I'm a dry one. Thank you for tuning into my video, and I'll see y'all 2 and 2 if y'all know about that 2 and 2. Peace out, y'all.